Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our new chapter is Understanding Quadrilaterals. First definition is polygon. What is polygon? If a simple closed curve made by line segment if a simple closed curve made by line segment, we will draw a simple diagram by lines is called polygon. This is our polygon, but this is not a polygon because in this diagram upper is closed but lower diagram is open. Polygon having only closed curve. This is our open curve. So this is our polygon and this is not a polygon. So polygon, what is polygon? If a simple closed curve made by lines is called polygon. Next is classification of polygon. The polygon classification made by its line means sides of polygon and vertex of polygon. In this diagram we having 1, 2, 3 lines means 3 sides. There are 3 sides and vertex means top point 1, 2, 3. There are 3 points. 3 sides, 3 points means vertex. 3 sides and 3 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertex. Means the vertex and the side of polygon will equal. Now classification. First is number of sides or vertex. Classification. In this topic we write down the name of polygon. Next is simple figure. First is triangle. Triangle having 3 sides or 3 vertex. Triangle diagram. The diagram made by 3 sides. This is our triangle. Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral having 4 vertex and 4 sides. A diagram made by 4 sides is this 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. Pentagon. Pentagon having 5 sides. The diagram of pentagon is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides. Hexagon having 6 sides. The diagram of hexagon is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 sides. Next is heptagon. Heptagon having 7 sides. In this diagram we made by 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 sides. Octagon. Octagon having 8 vertex or 8 sides. We made octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. There are 8 sides or 8 vertex. Nonagon having 9 sides in this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 9 sides, only 9, not the 10. So this is over 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is our nonagon. Decagon having 10 sides in this diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. This is our 10 sides. N-gon having n sides or n vertex. So let beginning from this polygon. What is polygon? A simple closed curve made by lines. This is our closed, not open. This is totally bounded figure. So this is a polygon, this is bounded, made by line. So this is polygon, but this is not polygon because here is a part which is open. So this is not a polygon. Classification of polygon: number of side, name of polygon, and simple figure. Triangle having 3 sides, this is our diagram. Quadrilateral having 4 sides, this is our diagram. Pentagon having 5 sides, this is our diagram. Hexagon having 6 sides, this is our diagram. Heptagon having 7 sides, octagon having 8 sides, nonagon having 9 sides, decagon having 10 sides, n-gon having n sides. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next definitions. So students, our next definition is diagonal. What is the definition of diagonal? In a polygon, two non-consecutive we draw a line between two non-consecutive polygons. We draw a line between two non-consecutive in a polygon. We draw a line between two non-consecutive vertices is called diagonal. What is the definition of diagonal? We take a polygon. For example, this is rectangle which is closed, made by lines. So this is our polygon having four sides. In a polygon, we draw a line between two non-consecutive. This is our consecutive. This is our consecutive. This is our consecutive. This is our consecutive. If the two vertices join each other, called consecutive, and non-consecutive, this vertex and this vertex not directly joined by a line, so these are non-consecutive. If we draw a line between two non-consecutive called diagonal, these are two non-consecutive, so these are our diagonals. These are our diagonals. This is our pentagon. We draw diagonals. For this vertex, two vertices are consecutive, another two are non-consecutive. So from this vertex we can draw two diagonal. From this vertex, this and this are joined with this vertex, so these are two non-consecutive, so we draw lines between them. For this vertex joined, this joined by diagonal, so we joined by this. For this vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 vertex are joined, so these are our diagonals. This is the definition of diagonals. This is a triangle which is polygon. Now we want to draw the diagonal. For this vertex, another two are these are already joined with this. For this vertex, another two vertex are these already joined. So triangle having no diagonals, only triangle having no diagonals, other polygon having diagonals. So this is the definition of diagonal. Now next is convex polygon and another is concave polygon. What is the convex and concave polygon? If all the diagonals of polygon in interior part of polygon, then it is called convex polygon. If diagonals of polygon placed interior part of polygon, then called convex. These are the two diagonals which is interior part, which placed in interior parts of polygon. This is our diagram. The diagonal placed interior part of polygon. All the diagonals are placed in interior part of polygon. These are our convex. If any diagonal of polygon placed outside of polygon, then called concave polygon. If any diagonal is placed outside of polygon, let a diagram. This is our polygon which made by lines and closed, so this is our polygon, and diagonal is the line between two non-conjugative vertex called diagonal. This is our diagonal. If any diagonal placed outside, the closed figure is this, the diagonal placed outside of polygon, so this is our concave polygon. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next definitions. Our next definition is regular and irregular polygon. Regular polygon and irregular polygon. If a polygon having equiangular and equilateral both then called regular polygon. Otherwise called irregular polygon. If a polygon having equiangular and equilateral, equiangular means the all angle of polygon is equal. Equilateral means the all sides of polygon are equal. There are two conditions. If both condition applied in polygon, then it called regular polygon. Otherwise, if one of them is not applicable in polygon, called irregular polygon. If a triangle having 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles 60, 60, 60, there are three angles which are equal and there are three sides which are equal, then called regular polygon. This is our square. This is our square. In a square there are four angles, all of them is 90 and there are four sides which are equal. So this is our regular polygon. This is our rectangle. A rectangle having four angles, all of them are 90 degree. So this is our equiangular. The all angles are equal. Then this side and this side is equal, this and this side is equal. Equilateral means all sides will be equal. This and this side is not equal. So this is not a equilateral. So this is a irregular. Irregular polygon. This is our irregular polygon. If all angle equal, all sides are equal, then called regular. If any one of them is not applicable in polygon, called irregular polygon. Next is angle sum property. The angle sum property. The sum of interior angle in a triangle is 180 degree. In a triangle, angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. In a rectangle, angle A, B, C, D is equal to 360 degree. Rectangle, and it's also called quadrilateral. So there is a general formula for interior angle sum of polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is number of sides. N is number of sides. General formula of interior angle means the angle which are inside 1, 2, 3, 4. The interior angle sum of polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is number of sides. In triangle there are three sides. 3 minus 2 means 1. 1 into 180, 180. The angle sum of triangle is 180. For quadrilateral there are four sides. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 into 180, 360. So this is our general formula. These are the formula for interior angle. Now exterior angle. Exterior angle sum of all types of polygon is equal to 360 degree. Taking this is over x, this is over y, this is over z. X plus y plus z is equal to 360. This is over x, this is over y, this is over z, and this is w. X, y, z, w is equal to 360. 90, 90, 180, 270, 360. Here linear pair angle having 180 degree, so 60 and 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 240, 360. The exterior angle sum is 360 for all types of polygon. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our question in exercise. Now our exercise is 3.1, question number first. Given here some figures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 figures. Classify each of them on the basis of following. There are 8 figures which are the simple curve. Simple curve. This is our simply diagram. This is our simply diagram, but this is our complex diagram. There are 2 circles. There are 2 circles. If we use one circle, then this is our simple curve, but in this diagram there are 2 circles. In this diagram there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different polygons which are joined. There are 6 different polygons which are joined each other, so this is complex. So who is simple curve? 1, 2, 3, 4, they both is not. Then 5, yes, this can draw simply. 5, 6, this also can draw simply. 7, this can also draw simply. But in this diagram there are 2 circles which are joined by a line, so this is our complex. Now simple closed curve. There are simple curve which are they closed. First, yes, this is bounded, closed, closed, closed but not simple, closed but not simple, closed, closed, closed. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. These are simple and closed curve. Polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a closed curve made by lines. Only for lines. Take closed curve. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. These are the closed curve which are made by lines. 1, 2. No, there are no lines. This is curve, not lines. These are lines, but this is our curve, so this is not. Only 2 diagrams made by lines. So polygon is 1, 2, and another can take 4, but this is not a polygon joined by 6 different polygons. There are mixture of polygon, not a single polygon. This is not a single polygon, so we cannot take this in polygon category. Now convex. Convex means all the diagonal are interior of polygon. In this we draw diagonal which are interior, So convex is 2. Concave, if a diagonal is exterior of polygon, here is a diagonal this is exterior of polygon, so this is our concave. So first diagram is concave polygon. You can take a screenshot of this. We will take another question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.